Hello, this is Lisa. How may I assist you today?
Hey Lisa, I wanted to schedule a pool cleaning service. AI voice callers are not just automated answering systems. They act as an autonomous sales teams, closing 30k per month deals while you focusing on other important tasks like strategic planning and business development. Whether you're drowning in calls or burning cash on telemarketers, this tutorial will show you how to clone your best sales rep's voice legally, the exact prompt chain that converts 34% more leads, and why 83% of early adopters profit within first 90 days. I'm Sai Lavani, CEO of Vapi.ai, once a dedicated ChatGPT enthusiast. I now lead an AI agency that focuses on innovation. Let's convert your incoming calls into your primary revenue driver. This tutorial will provide you with the exact blueprint that we use at Vapi.ai. By the end, you will clearly understand how an AI agent can handle all of your calls. Let's get started. Okay, so first head over to Vapi.ai and create your free account. It only takes about 30 seconds. This dashboard is where all the magic happens. You'll want to focus on three main tabs. One is assistant. Here is where you build your AI voice agents, and the other one is phone numbers. Here is where you assign a number to your agent for sending and receiving calls. And the third tab you have to focus on is this call logs, where all the analytics and all of those stuff will be stored. Okay, so now let's break down the key settings. Start by naming your assistant. You have to click on create assistant and then name your assistant. Here we'll be naming it Lisa. You can go ahead with any of these templates like appointment setter, customer support, but let's go with blank template as of now. Click on create assistant. Okay, so we are on the dashboard. Like, this is where everything happens. This is where you can configure the first message. You can provide it with the system prompt, like what it has to do. First, let's see what's on our screen. Over here, you can talk to the assistant after you build it. After any changes, you have to go and click on publish before you talk to the assistant, or else it will be staying on the previous settings before you do any edits. So make sure you click on publish and then talk to your assistant after you made any changes. So first, here's the cost breakdown, like how much is it charging and what is it charging for. Here is the latency. Latency is basically how long is the AI is taking to respond to a particular prompt. Over here is assistant ID. Over here we have the model. So there's a section allows you to configure the model of the assistant. The best model provider is, as of now, is OpenAI. You're gonna click on OpenAI and then select any of these models. As you can see, this is the fastest and the cheapest GPT-4o mini cluster. I would recommend you to use this. Go ahead and click on it. As you can see, the latency has been changed. With each model, the latency actually changes. The lower the latency, the faster the response. So I'll click on this, and over here you can upload any of your knowledge base. You have to do that going into the files tab and then uploading any knowledge base. And then here there's this temperature. This is basically telling the assistant how widely it can think about the prompt, how openly it can think about the prompt. We'll keep that to 0.7 as of now. You can click on detect emotions if you want to, but I won't recommend it for the starters because I guess it's not functioning properly as of now. Let's go ahead to transcriber. This is basically your voice assistant communicating with the LLM. So whenever you prompt it, it basically sends that prompt to a transcriber. Like it basically sends your voice to a transcriber, where the transcriber transcribes your voice. So it basically converts your voice into text, and then that text is forwarded to an LLM. So DeepGram is recommended. Nova 3, don't change anything over here. If you go on to voice, you can give your assistant a voice over here. You can add your own voice by add voice ID manually. You have to basically go and create a voice in 11 labs or any other provider that you can see over here, and then you can use it with voice ID. That will be covering in upcoming videos. As of now, let's stick to Cartesia, professional woman. Let's stick to that. You can select any of these background sounds. I would recommend it off. We don't need any background sound. Just ignore everything over here. I would recommend you to turn on this to sound natural. It basically uses and all of those sounds. So let's go to functions. Over here it's actually like in depth, so we have to create another video only for functions. You have to come to it later, but we'll not dive deeply into that as of now. I'll definitely explain it in our upcoming videos. Here is the advanced settings. You can change how your assistant basically handles interruptions and all. Over here you can upload a server URL. Don't get overwhelmed, we will come back to it. Now analysis. Here you have to basically provide your summary prompt, how you want the summary to look like. Over here you have to provide the summary prompt. If you scroll down here, you have to provide the success evaluation prompt. Don't think about it much, but just focus on summary prompt as of now. There are plenty of things that we will cover, but as of now just focus on summary prompt. So this summary prompt is basically after the call, Vapi, the server Vapi, will provide us with a summary of what happened in the call. Let's come back to the model now. So for prompting your assistant, you have to first give it a first message, and then I have gave it a system prompt. So let me break this down for you. I would recommend you to prompt your AI assistant in a markdown format, because assistant will understand what's important and not with a markdown format. As of now, if you are confused, just prompt it normally. We'll come back to the markdown format and how you can do it and all of those stuff in upcoming videos. So here we have role description. We basically are telling the agent that its name is this, its role is this, and then its key responsibilities like managing inbound calls and all of those stuff. This is basically the structure. We are giving it context. We are giving it step-by-step process like greet and intent confirmation, warm professional opening example. We are giving it examples. I would suggest you to definitely give your AI agent examples so that it can have a better understanding how to respond. Okay, so this is basically we are giving it some example conversations. You can generate these prompts using DeepSeek or OpenAI or ChatGPT or something like that. Just prompt it to give you a prompt, a well-structured prompt that you can copy and paste it over here. So after that, you just have to click on publish, and then you just gotta talk with your assistant. Let's see.
Hello, this is Lisa. How may I assist you today?
Hey Lisa, I wanted to book I wanted to schedule a pool cleaning service.
Absolutely. I'd be happy to help you schedule a pool cleaning service. Is your pool in ground or above ground?
It's an in-ground pool.
Got it. When were you hoping to have the cleaning service done?
How about tomorrow?
Let me check availability for tomorrow.
I guess
No
day after
problem.
tomorrow would be fine.
Great. Let me check availability for the day after tomorrow.
All right.
We have a slot available on the day after tomorrow at 10 a.m. Does that work for you?
Yeah.
Perfect. To confirm, you'd like our pool cleaning service on the day after tomorrow at 10 a.m. Could I please have your full name and phone? Fantastic. May I have your full name and phone number to finalize the booking?
My name is Sai and my phone number is 1234567889.
Thank you for clarifying, Sai. Just to confirm, your name is Sai and your phone number is 123456789. Is that correct?
You nailed it.
Awesome. Now, could you please provide your billing address so we can finalize the booking?
Okay, so as you can see, we have built this AI assistant in just like few minutes. So if you're just getting started, just go on to Vapi.ai and create your AI voice agent. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. Stick to it. I'll be releasing another video in just few days where we'll cover everything about Vapi, like how to perfectly use this transcriber, how to perfectly fine tune your voice agent. So we'll be diving into functions, we'll be diving deep into advanced settings, and then we'll be also doing function calls and making the assistant to remember our past conversations. Also, we'll be learning about how to use make.com integrated with Vapi and all of those stuff. So stick to the channel, subscribe it. And if you are a business owner and want your own AI assistant to handle your calls from tomorrow, we have got just 3 slots available this week. Book a one-on-one meeting with the link in the description and we'll chat about how to integrate AI into your business. Plus, Lisa is fully customizable. Adjust her name, voice, tone, and even humor to perfectly match your brand. Save time and money with AI on your site. Click the link below to secure your slot. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay on top of the latest AI, voice agents, and business growth, make sure you follow me on Instagram and subscribe here. I'll be dropping new videos covering everything from transient-based assistants and integrating AI with your CRM to how AI can remember our past conversations. Let's build a community. Comment on this video or hit me up on Instagram so that we can connect, explore potential collaborations, and grow together. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.